how to change the server details. So let example you have logged in the server already, right? You have the previous access, so it will be look like that, right? So let example someone send you, or you have taken some other access like so this is the access I just want to change. So how I can do? So first, which access you want to change, just select that one, right? So let example I will change this one, so I will select this one, then click here, edit. Right here you can edit the access, right? If you go for edit the access, here you can change the description, you can put the new application number, instance number, then system id. After putting this one, then click on ok, then you can log in as normal, right? Just double click here, then you will give the username and password. So this way you can change the username, right? So let example you may see like here there are a number of access over here, right? So if you want to do like the previous access will remain stay as it is, right? And you want to add a new access. So how you can do? You can add here. So you can add a new access over this symbol, okay? In this symbol. So you just have to click on next. Then you have to put the description, application server details and all. Then after putting everything, you will click on finish. Then you will do the login. So this way you can edit, and this way you can like add on the new access.